Hey everybody, Nick Rudder, McKee's 37. Happy Friday. I want to take you around, give you a brief tour of the warehouse, and show you all the new color in McKee's 37 HQ. Check it out. So Friday, today, Gary gets us all stocked up for Monday, opens lots of boxes, rotates inventory. So on Monday, we are ready to rock and roll. And every Friday I walk around before I leave and go home and have dinner with my family. Tonight's pizza. I just like to take it all in. I've been working with Bob for the last 10 years and very blessed. I just like to walk around and look around and use my eyes, my ears, even my nose, and just take it all in. It's peaceful and it's quiet right now. I'm here all alone. All the packing and shipping is done for the day. And I love looking at these new containers. Look at all the color. Gloss tire gel. Looks like the inside of an Oreo cookie. Total interior cleaner. Water. Floor mat and cargo liner rejuvenator. Looks like a delicious apple. And we used to have 16-ounce black cylindrical bottles for our sprays, but now everything is in a 22-ounce, which, you know what's cool about the 22-ounce is you get 37% more product. Is that a coincidence? I don't think so. So 37% more product, a more ergonomic bottle, and just a better design and the color. So hydro blue, the 16-ounce still, and of course we have the 22-ounce. Glass Restore, matte finish cleaner and protectant. I go through this product by the gallon on my Camaro. N914 rinse to wash. And I like to walk through here. Sometimes I'll say a prayer. Pray for the company, pray for Bob. We've all been extremely blessed with this industry. We've worked hard. We've manufactured an honest product that works well, that everyone can afford without sacrificing any quality. And just happy. Life is good. God is great. There's the ceramic line. That's going to remain in black containers to distinguish it. Kind of like a black tuxedo. All the glossy bottles. And just to give you a sneak peek, for the 16-ounce, this is the new style. It's the clear oval. Our current 16-ounce, after it went from black to clear like this, this is what it'll look like, all the 16 ounces eventually. So that's pretty cool. With the wider label, you can read the product more. You don't have to turn anything, so stay tuned for that. That's the next development. And Nautical One, what McKee's 37 is, the car care. Nautical One is the boat care. Gallons come in Monday, so for all you boat guys, stay tuned for the gallons. Have our kits, closing out the old Marine/RV line. Have something new coming, stay tuned. Lots and lots of pads, more kits. Lake Country manufactures all of our pads. And some spray bottles, some applicators, the Rag Company towels, fantastic company, Jeff, John, Levi, all those guys. Easy detail brushes, something else that does really well for us. And what I'm super excited about, we just brought in these IK sprayers. Check out our newest YouTube video. We have the Multi Pro 2, we've got the Foam Pro 2, and we have the big boy, the Foam Pro 12. So all of these are on sale. Check it out, McKee's37.com. We have a new clay mitt coming. That's coming soon as well. Boar's hair brushes, soft, luxurious, all natural for washing your boat or RV. The van is in for the night. So thank you for the support. I wanted to take you for my quick 5-minute walk around. Without you guys, none of this would exist. So thank you, God bless, and have a nice weekend.